What's going on, everybody? Today you got a banger of video. I'm playing as Leland. I load into the game. I just say to these two level 99s, and the other person was over a level 50. I say, please don't hurt me. I was just making jokes. Boom, they get in game chat. They start talking bad about me. They say, hey, you're live. We're never going to watch a streamer who's a level 27 at this game. Pretty much talking trash. I cussed them, and then I went back to the Discord chat. They continue to talk. But see how this unfolds with two level 99s and a level 50 plus. Again, I'm a level 27, so see how this unfolds.
It's okay. It's okay. That's why I'm finna fuck you up, son.
Champions come out. That's when that real dog come out. Because if you go piss like a puppy, stay on the porch and let the big dogs eat. Let them all the fuck.
He says my controller stinks. Nah. Nah. I just.
Somewhere good. You're level 9, baby. You're good. You're trash. You just play a lot. No. Let me out of all my thing off the grab. Yes, I can use that.
I feel like I have to actually try this game, just to prove I'm good enough in life, you know.
We got this. Who knows exactly where we are through these streets tonight, but
Did we pay back for what you did to that one guy?
I'm chasing Leatherface. Stab that mother.
He's headed my direction, ain't he? Did he get you good? Did he nip you?
Yeah.
He got.
This is awful.
Toxie, where are we getting out at? Wait, are you guys both dead?
Got me killed! He literally body blocked it so I couldn't come back and then crack.
Oh, we're not gonna do so good. Fuck. What are you doing?
Oh, Sheikah.
Mr. T, where'd you get out?
I got out, fuck, I don't know.
Alright, I'm gonna do it.
What's going on?
Did you get to take a shower?
Where's the, fuck, where, there it is. Got it. I'm opening the valve. You hear me? You're in the basement with Leather? Yes, sir.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, fuck. I'm gonna try to open the valve. Fuck. It's about the only play. Oh, fuck. They're watching the fuck out of that. Oh yeah, I'm fucked. Oh, I'm fucked.
Your only chance to do it is right now.
Yeah. Just fucking go for it like that. Fuck you, Cook. Yeah, fuck. Oh, fuck. Fucking fighting for my life out here, dog. They got it turned off, didn't they?
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
No fucking way, doggy. No fucking way, doggy. Let's go. I just want to say, level 27. That's what the fuck it's about. Who's a level 27 now, motherfuckers? That's that dog in me. You hear the little puppy in me? Well, this ankle biter fucked you up, homie. Who got out? Who got out? Exactly. Exactly. I'm a level 27 though, remember? Remember? I'm a level 27. Level 27, dog. Go look at my stream. This ain't the first one of the day. Just bodies. That shit's actually funny.